आमिर उधर ऊपर में, that side as well. Okay, Mumbai, let's give a warm welcome to Inspector Shekhawat. Aamir Khan right in front of you. Aamir, आपने इतने सालों से इंतजार करा. It's been so long since you've done a film. Talash is coming out after, well, 3 Idiots was your last full release. Why this long wait, Aamir, always?
Well, actually my last release was Dhobi Card, which was 2 years ago. And,
with your missus as the boss.
With my missus as the boss. And I try to do films as soon as I can, but it takes me a while. Thoda time lagta hai. But I'm glad that this film is ready for release, and it's a film that all of us are very excited about. The entire team, Reema and Kareena, Rani, myself, all of us are really excited about it. Farhan, I think what we set out to make, जो हम बनाने चले थे, काफ़ी हद तक हम कामयाब हुए हैं वो फिल्म बनाने में, और जो फिल्म बनी है हम उससे खुश हैं. अब इंतज़ार है कि आप लोगों को कैसी लगती है फिल्म. We are really happy to tie up with Microsoft, and I have no doubt that their new product will be excellent like all their other stuff, Windows 8. I'm hoping that Talash also turns out well. I don't know. Let's see if you'll like the film. Hopefully, fingers crossed.
So we are here, of course, to launch the Talash app on Windows 8. So Aamir, अगर आपकी permission हो, should we just show people what that app looks like? Okay, screen पे पहले, ओह ये तो आपका है, तो ये आपको पहले पासवर्ड दिखाना पड़ेगा. पासवर्ड क्या है इसका?
आपको पता है मेरा पासवर्ड?
मैंने कोशिश करी थी, इंस्पेक्टर शेखावत, आमिर सब लिख लिया, सिकंदर, everything I wrote, nothing came. Oh, it's a picture password.
That's open. Yeah, picture
password.
password.
There it is. I didn't see it. मैंने गुस्ताखी नहीं करी. I didn't try to touch your nose.
So my password was my eyes and Rani's nose.
So your eyes and her nose. Don't try this in real life. Only try it on your Windows 8 device. Okay, should we have a look at the photo app first? You're launching the, oh, there's the Talash app that you can see on your Windows 8.
Yeah, so it's got the trailers.
Should we see the trailer?
Yeah. Okay.
Should we see the song? Do you want to see Kareena's song?
Let's see the trailer first.
Can we up the volume, please, on this?
ये बहुत ही हाई प्रोफाइल केस है. कुछ भी बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए जब तक ये केस सॉल्व नहीं हो जाए. पिछले 3-4 साल से उसी रोड पे ऐसे कई एक्सीडेंट्स हुए हैं. कुछ समझ में नहीं आया, कुछ सबूत भी नहीं मिला.
लेकिन बहुत सारे सवाल हैं जिनके जवाब हमें अभी तक मिले नहीं, और आज उसकी पत्नी ने FIR दर्ज किया है.
मेरे अकाउंटेंट ने मुझे रहमान को 20 लाख रुपए कैश दिए थे.
मेरे को 50 लाख मांगता है. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
रोजी. मैं आपकी बहुत काम आ सकती हूँ.
What attracted you to the role in the film, Aamir?
You know, for me it was the script, and when I was listening to the script, जब मैं कहानी सुन रहा था, तो जो उसका सस्पेंस है वो मुझे बहुत मतलब I was very stressed and tense. जैसे मैं कहानी सुन रहा था कि आगे क्या होने वाला है, I couldn't catch, you know, I couldn't predict कि आगे क्या होने वाला है. So I found it very exciting, the story, and also it's a very emotional story. ये सिर्फ एक सस्पेंस ड्रामा नहीं है, ये एक बहुत ही जज्बाती कहानी भी है. हम सब अपनी ज़िंदगी में किसी न किसी को चाहते हैं जो हमारे करीब होता है, हमारे माँ बाप, हमारे बच्चे, आपके पति या पत्नी को, आपके लवर को, और हमें हमेशा फिक्र रहती है कि हम उसको कहीं खो ना दें. लेकिन ये ज़िंदगी और ज़िंदगी की सच्चाई ये है कि हम या तो किसी को खो चुके हैं या हमें डर है किसी को हम खो ना दें. तो ये फिल्म जो है, it's also about coming to terms with loss. So not only is it a suspense drama, but it's also a story about coming to terms with loss. और ये जो किसी को हम खोते हैं उसके साथ जो हमें, उस सच के साथ जो हमें समझौता करना पड़ता है, ये कहानी उसके बारे में भी है।
भाई आज हम दे दिया। आप मुस्कुरा बहुत कम रहे हैं इस फिल्म में हमें।
हाँ, कब मुस्कुरा रहे? करीना अच्छी लगती है?
करीना अच्छी लगती है कि नहीं बॉयज? आई थिंक दैट्स अ यस।
और
हमें
I like
जीले जरा जो विशाल ने गाया, आपको अच्छा लगता है वो?
yeah, I like all the songs, but my favorite is the song which is लाख दुनिया कहे तुम नहीं हो, तुम यही हो।
Things in life and things that are not easy to crack, but this is very easy and it's a lot of fun and I'm sure you'll enjoy it.
Okay. Actually, I am very bad with computers and stuff, so if it's easy, it'll work for me. And this app seems to be, this Windows 8 seems to be quite easy to use.
Thank you very much. We have, before you go, we have 3 winners over here who cracked the picture password before. So I think हमने 3 मुजरिम पकड़ लिए हैं. तो इंस्पेक्टर शिकावत अब इनको इनाम देंगे, इनाम. Our first winner is Jyotika Menon. There's some tickets from PVR that Amir is going to give to you himself. Our next winner is, thank you, is Tarun Srivastava. Tarun, how old are you? 9 years old he is. Big boy.
Tarun, how many people in your family?
3.
So these are 5 tickets. Who will you take 2 people extra? Huh? Take your friends, okay? On 30th November, go and see the film.
Satyam Vajay's episodes.
Oh,
Not movies.
thank you so much. You have a lovely smile.
Thank you so much, Tarun. And Ishan Shati.
All the best.
Our 3 winners, ladies and gentlemen. Big round of applause for Amir Khan, Inspector Shikawat from Talash out on the 30th of November. Go see it and of course go get your Windows 8 demo at Chroma. Amir, jate.
Well, it is lovely being here, saying hi to all of you. And wanting to wish all of you a very happy Diwali. Have a great time, guys. Diwali Mubarak or Naya Saal Mubarak. All the very best. Lots of love. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. It's a big round of applause for Amir Khan. We also have a few more tickets from PVR to give away. You can go watch the last. We also have a few more tickets from PVR to give away. You can go watch the last first day, first show. Courtesy Windows 8 and PVR. So go see that. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for being here with Windows 8. We have another small performance for you, and then our promoters are going to be giving away some more tickets for PVR for Talash, so you can get them. Thank you so much for being here. Once again, here is Karan Kapoor.